Happy day students, welcome to SAN Academy Pallikarane. This is class 8 Geography, Chapter 1 Resources. First, let me explain you what is a source and a resource. Source, the main thing from which a source is made. Example, cotton is used to make cotton clothes. Next one, resource. What is a resource? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need. For example, we use rickshaw to reach home. Can you guess, children, in this sentence which is known as the resource? Yes, correct. Your answer is rickshaw. So, here rickshaw is considered to be as the resource, whereas cotton is considered to be as a source. Now, let us see some of the important terms. What is meant by utility? A resource which is in the form of object or substance is known as utility. Then we go for value. Do you know what value means? Correct. Value means worth. Things become resources only when they have a value. Next, we shall see the classification of resources. In this pyramid, you can easily understand. How many types of classification of resources, children? Absolutely. There are 3 types of classification of resources. One is natural resources, second one is human-made resources, and the third one is human resources. Again, we shall classify natural resources into 2 kinds. The first one is renewable resource and the next one is non-renewable resource. Let me explain what is meant by renewable resource. Resources which can be renewed or replenished quickly is known as renewable resource. These are unlimited resource. Next, non-renewable resource. What is meant by non-renewable resource? Resources which cannot be renewed or replenished quickly. Once the stock gets exhausted, it takes 1000 years to be renewed. Let me show you some of the examples of renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Let me begin with the examples of renewable resources for easy understanding. Can you see? Yes, solar energy, water and wind energy are considered to be as the renewable resources. Then, what are all the examples of non-renewable resources? Minerals like phosphate, oil and limestone comes under non-renewable resources. Next, human-made resources. What is human-made resources? People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery and vehicles which are known as human-made resources. I have given below some of the examples for easy understanding. Now, let us discuss about what is meant by sustainable development. Carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present also takes care of future generations. There are some principles of sustainable development. We shall see it one by one. To begin with, development, respect and care for all forms of life improves the quality of human life conservation. Next, we have to conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. Then, change personal attitude and practice towards the environment. And finally, enable communities to take care for their own environment. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.